Amazing options to generate income online. With technology so sophisticated and whatever available with the click of your mouse, you can even earn money online from your house, with little or no investment and with a fundamental working knowledge of the computer system. Stock exchange online. For those who are interested in keeping abreast of shares and stocks, this awareness could be utilized to generate income online. Stocks and shares are weakening or escalating in rates on an almost daily basis, and as you stay up to date with the stock market news, you will have a concept of how things will remain in the near future. Selling and purchasing according to the fluctuate in the costs might make you wealthy in a short while. Even payment for the shares that you have actually purchased could be done online, and you might move money to or from your bank for such payments. With this organization acumen of stocks and shares, you can generate income online, which to a substantial amount. There is a great deal of details on the news channels and on the internet about the stock rates, and all you need to do is to follow the patterns of the stock market and do your purchasing and offering appropriately. If you desire to make cash online, stocks and shares is the most exciting way to do it. Conduct online classes and make money online. If you are interested in the mentor line and if you have the needed credentials, you might assist these individuals by teaching them online. There are numerous academic institutes online that cater to online trainees. As a teacher, you could register with them and conduct your classes online and make money online. Here again, the instructor and the student can be at different ends of the globe and interact on the web. Classes will be conducted by means of the web, and both the trainee and the teacher advantage from this. If you want to have flexible work timings, you might be an instructor online. The student gains understanding and the teacher gets task satisfaction and also might generate income online. Set assessment papers online for numerous institutes. An offshoot of the mentor line is setting assessment concern papers for universities and other institutes. Lots of institutes hire persons to compose these question papers for them and pay them accordingly. This is one more method of earn money online. There will be deadlines to keep and dates to stay with, however the work is conducted online and you can make money online. Like in mentor, the individual who is setting the paper and institute asking for it can be in two entirely different parts of the world. They come together for this purpose by means of the internet, and payment and other problems are all managed online. With this company acumen of stocks and shares, you can make cash online, and that to a sizable quantity. There are lots of educational institutes online that cater to online students. As an instructor, you might sign up with them and perform your classes online and make cash online. The student gains understanding and the instructor gets job fulfillment and also could make cash online. There will be due dates to keep and dates to stick to, but the work is carried out online and you can make money online. Thank you for looking at my video from Ian Jackson.